Have you ever wondered what might happen if you made one simple change to your diet? A change that could potentially boost your energy, sharpen your mind, and even improve your overall health. Today, we're exploring the effects of eating 3 boiled eggs every day, and the results might surprise you. Let's start by looking at the nutritional profile of an egg. One large egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein, 5 grams of healthy fats, and a wide array of vitamins and minerals. These include vitamin B12, vitamin D, vitamin A, and choline, all of which play crucial roles in various bodily functions, from brain health to energy production. But what about cholesterol? This has been a major concern for many people. However, recent studies have shown that dietary cholesterol doesn't necessarily translate to high blood cholesterol. In fact, eggs can actually improve your cholesterol profile by raising HDL, often called good cholesterol, and changing LDL from small, dense particles to larger particles, which are considered less harmful. Now, you might be wondering why we're specifically talking about boiled eggs. While other cooking methods aren't necessarily bad, boiling preserves the egg's nutritional content without adding extra calories from oil or butter. It's also a convenient method. You can prepare a batch at the beginning of the week and have a quick, nutritious snack or meal ready whenever you need it. So, what happens when you start eating 3 boiled eggs every day? Many people report feeling more energetic and focused. The protein in eggs provides a steady source of energy, helping you feel fuller for longer and avoiding mid-morning energy dips. Some individuals notice improvements in their skin and hair health thanks to the protein and B vitamins in eggs. Others find that they're able to maintain a healthy weight more easily as the protein helps control appetite. Regular egg consumption has been linked to some impressive health outcomes. Studies have shown that people who eat eggs regularly have a lower risk of heart disease, despite old myths about cholesterol. They also tend to have better eye health, thanks to the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin found in egg yolks. For those engaged in physical fitness, eggs can be particularly beneficial. The high-quality protein provides the body with essential amino acids needed to build and repair muscle tissue. This makes eggs an excellent food for anyone looking to improve their fitness or maintain muscle mass as they age. The benefits extend to brain health as well. Choline, a nutrient found in eggs, is essential for brain function and has been linked to improved cognitive performance. Some studies even suggest that regular egg consumption could help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. It's important to note that while eggs are incredibly nutritious, they're not a magic solution. The benefits of eating eggs daily are most pronounced when they're part of an overall healthy diet and lifestyle. As with any dietary change, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. If you're intrigued by the potential benefits of adding eggs to your diet, why not try it for yourself? Here's a challenge. For the next 30 days, incorporate 3 boiled eggs into your daily diet. It doesn't have to be all at once. You could have 2 for breakfast and 1 as a midday snack, for example. Keep track of any changes you notice in your energy levels, mood, and overall well-being. To help you get started, here are a few tips. First, prepare your eggs in batches to save time. Second, experiment with different seasonings to keep things interesting. Third, pair your eggs with other nutritious foods, like vegetables or whole grains for a balanced meal. Fourth, try to eat your eggs at roughly the same time each day for consistency. And finally, stay hydrated and maintain your regular exercise routine for best results. We'd love to hear about your experiences. If you decide to take on this 30-day egg challenge, please share your results. Did you notice changes in your energy levels? How about your mood or focus? Perhaps you experienced some unexpected benefits we haven't mentioned. Your stories could inspire others to make positive changes in their diet, and who knows, you might discover benefits that even surprised us. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the humble egg's potential. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights on nutrition and health. Until next time, here's to your health and well-being.